Good Wednesday, everyone. Well, already today, a high chance of rain, but I tell you what, I think tomorrow looking even wetter, and tomorrow is going to be colder as well. So let's talk about today and tomorrow across Wisconsin. Let's start 8 a.m. this morning. Now, a lot of folks drive for the morning commute, except if you're in places like Beaver Dam, Lake Geneva, Racine, Kenosha. There is a chance of showers. We're past the peak of the activity, but chance of showers still for the morning commute. But Madison, Portage, Baraboo, La Crosse, all looking dry. But look over to the west, over in Minnesota, another round of rain is going to be pushing in. So let's track it. 11 a.m., that's when the rain chance begins for places like Chippewa Falls, Winona, La Crosse. Notice the rain exiting temporarily around Racine, Kenosha, and still dry, Portage, Madison. That's going to be changing as we get into the early afternoon hours. Notice by 2 o'clock, that's when I think the rain will start to return around the Racine, Kenosha area. That said, a little bit more activity to the west. These are going to be scattered light to moderate rain showers. Notice there are some gaps, but the rain is absolutely going to be around, and it's still going to be around for the evening commute. Again, gaps, so you might get lucky and miss out on the rain, but if it's a longer drive for you, chances are at some point you're going to encounter a shower. And just about anywhere in the state, it's the same story. Scattered light to moderate rain showers, though. I do think it's rain. And I say that because look what happens as temperatures drop tonight. Now, across southern Wisconsin, it stays rain, but notice up to the north, around Chippewa Falls, around midnight, start to see that rain-snow mix settling in. And then check out the morning commute tomorrow. A lot of folks dealing with that rain-snow mix. I do think the peak of the activity is going to be Chippewa Falls, Winona, La Crosse, with a chance for scattered rain or snow showers there for Portage, Madison, Racine, Kenosha. I think it stays all rain, and actually you have the smallest chance of rain for the morning commute tomorrow. Now, again, this is the rain-snow mix situation. This is the time of year where, it gets tricky because it's not going to be cold enough to stay snow all day. As we go through the day, we will warm some, and so the chance for snow gets less and less. I'm still leaving the chance for some snow mixed in with the rain around 11 a.m. for La Crosse, Madison, Portage. But notice kind of transition more towards the rain, not seeing so much of that blue showing up. And then by the time we get to 2 o'clock in the afternoon, notice it's all back to the rain, except around Chippewa Falls. So 2 exceptions, though. We've got a rain-snow mix for probably just the morning hours tomorrow. La Crosse, Madison, Portage is probably going to be all rain tomorrow for the Racine, Kenosha, Lake Geneva area. And there's a chance throughout the day tomorrow around Chippewa Falls for a rain-snow mix. But it's probably going to be all rain in between those areas in the afternoon with a rain-snow mix in the morning. And look at 5 o'clock. Notice the activity. Again, scattered rain showers, Madison, Portage, Racine, Kenosha, but back to that rain-snow mix around Chippewa Falls, Winona, La Crosse. That said, because it is that rain-snow mix, accumulations aren't going to be very impressive. The rain definitely cutting down on our snow totals. At most, you're going to see a half an inch. More than likely, it's going to be less than that. All right, that's the rain and snow situation. Now let's talk about temperatures and wind. All right, so these are high temperatures today, and it is a cold front that's going to be working in, that round that's going to be coming in during the afternoon, so that's why it's going to be warmer to the south and east, 54 in Kenosha, 50 in Madison, but just a high of 42 in Chippewa Falls. Now, it's not going to feel this warm because it's going to be windy across southern Wisconsin with gusts around 35 miles per hour. A little bit less wind to the north, actually behind the front, but still a breezy day with gusts around 25 miles per hour. For everyone, it stays breezy tonight with pretty uniform temperatures tonight across the state, mainly in the mid-30s. A few folks only cooling down to the upper 30s, but still a wind chill factor. Gusts generally around 25 miles per hour. And then tomorrow we flip-flop. We're going to call it a breezy day for southern Wisconsin, gusts 25 miles per hour, but the winds pick up for northern Wisconsin. Came back into those gusts around 35 miles per hour. Everyone is colder tomorrow, and that's why we have the chance for that rain-snow mix tomorrow. A high of 38 Chippewa Falls, 41 in Madison, 42 in Janesville with a wind chill factor.